Hi. All
Hi,
right. So we have a
Maricris.
guest. Wow, beautiful. And before we begin our discussions at the end, can you introduce yourself a bit?
Yeah, sure. Thank you very much, Maricris, for this meeting today. So, to introduce myself, my name is Tim, and I am one of the founders of Apollon Solution, which is online agency specialized in marketing and business consulting.
Okay, great. For those people who do not know Tien, he's from Paris and he's working in an expert agency when it comes of marketing and sales. Yeah, tell us your place, Tien. Where do you live?
Yes. I am based in Paris, and I live in the centers of Paris in the 12th district.
Okay, I see. And how did you know me? Yeah, I think you can you can also tell how
Yes.
did we meet together? Yeah, how did it start?
Yes, that's great. Because for my jobs, I need to improve my English, so that's why I had opportunities to get English lesson. And thankfully, I met you, and thanks to your English lesson, I have improved a lot about the pronunciation, learning vocabularies, and also correct some of my mistake.
Thank you very much for that. And today you are going to have a discussion topics that you will be answering at least. I'm going to be choosing at least 5 to 10 engaging marketing questions about yeah, newly beginners. Yeah, who wants to be a marketer someday? Is it okay for that?
Of course.
All right. My first question is this. I'll make a list. What is your favorite brand and what makes it stand out among competitors?
I think if we are talking about brands, I can tell you the first example is the Apple brands. As you can see, Apple made a lot of new products related on IT, such as iPad, iPhones, and MacBook. And the thing that make Apple really, really nice brands is that the brands focus on the quality. So whenever you buy the product, you will feel very comfortable first, and you are sure that the product will align with your values because when you use this kind of brands, you see that it is very easy to use it. You don't have the like for instance, if I talk about Windows, you need to search something to do like maybe if you don't know the filters, you need to search from tutorials. Instead of the Apple brands, it is very intuitive and easy to use. So this kind of brands is very innovative in some way.
Wow, that's amazing. Yes, I believe that they have the strongest marketing ever right now into phone markets. Now,
Yes.
can you recall a recent advertisement that caught your attention? As in really attractive? What about it was memorable? What do you think?
I think yes. I think about one of the advertisement which really interest and impressed me. I can say that do you know the brand Red Bulls? It's like energetic drinks. And whenever they try to make some advertisement, they don't try to highlight the product first. They just highlight that the values beside the product. So
Mm.
it's like Red Bull give you wings so you can fly higher. And this type of advertising is very impressive because um, it just make you understand that if you are tired, if you want to have more energies, you think directly about Red Bulls, which give you the wings. So I think that this is very impressive for me.
Out of this world. Yes, that's really true. How do you usually find out about new product or services?
I think for my parts, usually when I want to find new products, I just scroll down my phone and just use some keywords, just like maybe if I want to find cloth, I just write fashion cloth, and I find which is the first website to visit. This is for me. I think that's I just make it easy in the search, so I don't try to focus more on what I want to find exactly into the new product. And
Mm.
thanks to this easy word, I will find and go deeper in what I want to look for.
I see. That's where I usually see some products on the different platforms. Yeah, on social
Yes.
medias or sometimes on different platforms, just like we call Shopee and Lazada here in our country.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, perfect. Have you ever been influenced by an online review or testimonial to make a purchase? Because nowadays
Yes,
this is
sure.
very popular, right? They're just scrolling at the reviews. Yeah, what do you
Yeah,
think
yeah,
about that?
because yes, I think that this is very interesting because nowadays, whenever you want to buy some product, the first thing you will just look for is the testimonials because you think that
On TikTok.
if on TikTok, maybe on YouTube's, or maybe you can see like some unboxing product on YouTube's,
Mm.
and I think that this is a good type of strategies because it will create more awareness from the brand itself, but it will create more, you can be more attract to the product because you see that there is a real person using the product, showing the product. So I think that this is a good way to judge about the quality of the product by yourself.
Yes, absolutely.
Mm.
To tell the truth, I was caught an attractive advertisements on TikTok recently. I bought a spray for my underarm and it
Mm.
looks really nice. And yeah, that's why I purchased something in no time, right? Okay,
Yes,
I don't like to share this kind of product, but that was insane. Like social media can make us really purchase in no time.
totally true.
Okay, another question, Tian, is what do you think is more important in marketing? Creativity or data analysis, and why?
This is a very interesting question, and the answer that I can tell you is both. Both is very important because if you have creativities but you don't have data analysis, you can see further. So you don't have the next step ready for the action you want to do. And if you have only data analysis, it will be helpful, but you cannot do many action, maybe more marketing actions or more social actions. So both is very important. So you need to mix both in order to make more impactful campaigns or brand communication.
Wow, that's really true. And I believe that both of them are pretty important, especially the creativity. And while data analysis is way more important, right? Because how could we analyze some data of each customer, a potential customer for our future, if we do not know how to read analysis, data analysis, right? Is there any tools or platforms that we could analyze data? Tien?
Yes, you have many tools. For instance, if we talk about social media like TikToks, Instagram, or Facebook. For instance, if you use Facebook, you have the business model, you have all your KPIs about maybe who is the one
Excuse me, just a
interacting
moment.
with.
It's bad
Yes.
connection. Hold on in a minute. Okay, now it's perfect. Thank
Yes.
you. Okay.
Okay, that's great. So, whereas to answer your question, I told you that we have, if you use social media, you have many tools. For instance, if you use Facebook, you have the Business Meta Suite, which allow you to analyze the KPIs related to your contents creation. For
Mm-mm,
instance, if you post some videos or some pictures, you can analyze exactly which type of person is watching the videos,
mm-mm.
which type of interaction they are interested through the comment section or through the sharing or the liking buttons. And through this type of action, you can try to think about what is the next step in order to reach them more and to catch them more. So this type of tools like Meta Business Suite or the dashboard you have in Instagram professional data, they will help
Mm-mm.
you to analyze better and to find which is the suitable next step to do to improve your brands, for instance.
Wow, that's really great. Yeah, it's another techniques and strategy in order to optimize our data analysis. Can you name
Yes.
also a marketing campaign that you think was highly successful? What elements contributed to its success?
Yes, what I can say, for instance, we have the, the brand Adidas.